Good morning, all students. How are you? I think all is well. Now, in today lecture of ninth class, lecture second of surface areas and volume. In first lecture, already we discussed that how we will find out the total surface area, how we will find out the area of four walls, how we will find out the length of diagonals in cube and cuboid. Now, in today lecture second, we will discuss the topic is our exercise 13.2, that is slender. So, students, anyone can tell to me what is cylinder? Cylinder is a solid which are having two faces or which are having two surfaces, two circular faces and one is curved face. Okay, so today we discuss our topic is cylinder. So basically cylinder are having two faces, one is circular faces and another one is the curved face. So it is a solid having two circular and one curved faces are present. So it is a solid, cylinder is a solid having two circular faces and one is curved faces. These are two circular face, that is the radius of the cylinder, also radius, and that is the height of the cylinder. That part is also its circular face. That one part is also its circular face and that is its curved face. Okay, ये क्या आपका circular face, that is also circular face and that one is the curved face. So what are the example of cylinder? Examples of cylinder are, if we will consider a iron pipe whose width is negligible. Negligible meaning is that whose internal and external radius are same. That we also consider the example of cylinder. Many example of cylinder like cuboid. We will also calculate here what is the curved surface area of the cylinder, what is the total surface area of the cylinder. So how we will calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder and how we will calculate the total surface area of the cylinder. So firstly, for curved surface area, so how we will calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now, how cylindrical shape is forming if we will put small rectangles on upper side, then we will push, then we will get a cylinder or not. Or second, if we will push the cylinder, then we will get a rectangle. So to calculate the curved surface area, when we push, then we will get that type of shape. So that circular part completely convert into a straight line. Circular part friends किसमें convert हो गया है? Completely straight line. Meaning is that the circumference of that circle is equals to the length of that line or not? इसकी length के equal होगा. So what is the distance of that is 2 pi r and that is x. And that we have like a rectangle or not? So CSA is equals to L multiply B. So what is the CSA? L 2 pi r h. That is the curved surface area that will come either in meter, centimeter square or meter. Curved surface area of the cylinder. Now, how we will calculate the total surface area of the cylinder? So, how we will calculate the total surface area of the cylinder? Here, three faces are present. Two circular faces and one is curved face. आपने कर्व फेस का ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर लिया एरिया. नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ टू सर्कुलर फेसेस ऑल्सो. सो नेक्स्ट, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. So how we will calculate the total surface area of the cylinder? Area of two circular faces plus CSM. CSM स्टूडेंट्स टू सर्कुलर फेसेस का एरिया अगर ऐड करोगे देन वी विल गेट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर. सो व्हाट आर द एरिया ऑफ टू सर्कुलर फेसेस? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi r common, then r plus h. That is the total surface area of the right cylinder or right circular cylinder. Understand? That is the curved surface area and that is the total surface area. Now we will consider the example of the cylinder whose bottom is closed and top is open. Then how we will find out the total surface area for making a box? आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स? एक बॉक्स बनाना है. उस बॉक्स में क्या है? टॉप को ओपन रखा है, बॉटम को क्या किया है? क्लोज किया है. देन हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द शीट विच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक दैट बॉक्स. This is the steel box. Height is given to you and radius is given to you. So find area of steel which is used to make it. इस बॉक्स को फॉर्मेशन करने में आपको टोटल स्टील कितनी रिक्वायर्ड होगी उसका एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. बट हियर टॉप इज ओपन और नॉट? टॉप इज ओपन. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ स्टील इज इक्वल्स टू वेयर स्टील वी यूज्ड हियर. फर्स्ट इज ऑन इट्स कर्व्ड फेस. सो CSA of cylinder plus second its bottom is closed or open? Its bottom is closed. So pi r square which is 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Pi r common, then 2h plus r. That is the total area of the sheet which is used to make that one box. Understand? So फॉर्मूला किस पे डिपेंड करेगा स्टूडेंट्स? आपके क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करेगा. क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है? दैट सिलेंड्रिकल बॉक्स इज कंप्लीटली क्लोज और नॉट. वन पार्ट इज ओपन और वन पार्ट इज क्लोज. So that is depending on the question. Now we will discuss some examples. Question is that a student is making a model is in the shape of the cylinder. क्या कर रहा है? एक स्टूडेंट एक मॉडल बना रहा है सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में. whose radius is given to you, whose radius is 7 centimeter and height of the model is 2 centimeter. If cost of 1 centimeter square is 100 rupees to make this model, then फाइंड टोटल कॉस्ट। आपको क्या करना है, एक मॉडल बनाना है। मॉडल किस शेप में है, क्लोज सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में है, सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक के शेप में है। हुज रेडियस इज गिवन टू यू 7 सेंटीमीटर, हुज हाइट इज गिवन टू यू 2 सेंटीमीटर, एंड ऑल्सो गिवन टू यू इज दैट इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज 100 रुपीज, 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट क्या है 100 रुपीज। टू मेक दिस मॉडल देन फाइंड द टोटल कॉस्ट। So how we will calculate the total cost? Firstly, we will find out here the total surface area where we required the material. आप पहले उसका total surface area calculate करोगे जहाँ पे क्या है material required है। So firstly, we make here a cylindrical. In that cylinder, its radius is 7 centimeter. And height is the 2 centimeter. Radius 7 and height is 2 centimeter. We will take very small. Now we will find out firstly total area of sheet, which is equals to TSA of cylinder. Because sheet is required all parts, that one part is top is also closed, bottom is also closed, and on side also required. So TSA is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. 2 pi R is common, then H plus R. That is the total sheet area. Now substitute value 2, 22 upon 7, 7. Then 2 plus 7, 7 cancel. 44 into 9, 9 4 36, 3 9 4 36, then 39 centimeter square. That is the total area of the sheet. That will come 396. Now what we will find out here, find the total cost, and also given to you then the cost of 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज 100 रुपीज। आपको क्या गिवन है स्टूडेंट, 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट क्या गिवन है 100 रुपीज गिवन है हियर। सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज 100 रुपीज। सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 396 centimeter square is equals to 396 multiply 100, which will come 39600. Okay. So that is the total cost to make that one project. Understand? So simple है question. आपको क्या करना है, इसका total surface area calculate कर लो. After that what is given to you, 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट आपको क्या गिवन है स्टूडेंट्स 100 गिवन है। सो आपने टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट कर लिया, दैट इज द 396 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। सो जो 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर कॉस्ट 100 है, सो 396 सेंटीमीटर कॉस्ट क्या होगी, उसको जस्ट क्या करना आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है। अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ सेकंड टाइप क्वेश्चंस देखो। If CSA of cylinder is 88 centimeter square and its radius is 7 centimeter, then find its TSA. Firstly, in question what is given to you that the curved surface area of the cylinder is 88 centimeter square and its radius is given to you 7 centimeter. Then how we will find out its total surface area? Students आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है। So first of all, in a given question, you will write down what is given to you. So here, its curved surface area is 88 centimeter square and its radius is 7 centimeter. So we will find out here its ds. But we cannot find out directly the total surface area of the cylinder, because to calculate the total surface area of the cylinder, we will required here height of the cylindrical part. Height of the cylindrical part required है, but here height of the cylindrical part is not given. Only what is given to you? Radius is given to you. Radius is 7 centimeter. So let height be x. So that we will consider that is the x. Now CSA is equals to 88. And we know that what is the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi RH is equals to 88, 2 pi value 22 upon 7, radius is 7, h equals to 88, 7 cancel, 44 h is equals to 88. So what is the h value? 88 upon 44, which will come 2 centimeter. So we find out here that the height of the cylindrical part is the 2 centimeter. Now we easily calculate its TSA. So TSA is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, 2 pi R common, then H plus R. Value substitute करो. 22 upon 7 multiply R is 7, then 2 plus 7 cancel, 44 multiply by 9, then you will calculate, that will come 396 centimeter square. Okay, so second type का question students इस type का हो सकता है आपका. What? Either curved surface area is given or total surface area is given. Then how we will calculate its radius, or if CSA given, radius is given, then how we will calculate total surface area. Second type question is that if total surface area given, height is given, then how we will calculate the CSA. So to calculate the all values, firstly we check in given formula, then what is the requirement to solve that क्वेश्चन. आपको ये चेक करना है गिवन फॉर्मूले में किस किसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, रेडियस की रिक्वायरमेंट है एंड हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर रिक्वायरमेंट है. इज दैट ऑल टू थिंग्स आर गिवन और नॉट. इफ नॉट गिवन देन फर्स्टली यू विल फाइंड आउट, देन आफ्टर यू विल सॉल्व. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस देखो. Next type question is third type question. If suppose given to you is that in a cylinder the ratio of the radius and the height is given to you 1:3. Okay, and its TSA is given, either CSA, या तो आपको CSA given हो सकता है या फिर आपको TSA given हो सकता है. Then calculate the other one. So question is that if the ratio of radius and height of a cylinder is 1:3 and its CSA is 81 and its CSA is given to you 27 pi centimeter square. Then find its TS. सो स्टूडेंट्स क्या गिवन है आपको क्वेश्चन में, द रेशियो ऑफ द रेडियस एंड द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज गिवन टू यू 1:3। रेडियस एंड हाइट का रेशियो क्या गिवन है स्टूडेंट्स, 1:3। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट डाउन द गिवन पैरामीटर। गिवन पैरामीटर राइट करो, लेट radius and height be x, 3x. So here radius is x and height is 3x. Now its CSA is given to you 27 pi centimeter square. क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, TSA, but to calculate the TSA we don't know what is the radius and what is the height, so we will use formula. Now CSA is equals to 27 pi, CSA 2 pi RH is equals to 27 pi, 2 multiply pi multiply R is x, 3x is equals to 27 pi, pi cancel. From here what will come, 6x square equals to 27. So x square equals to 27 upon 6, x square equals to, then here we will cut by 3, 9 and 2, 9 by 2. So what is the value of x, under root 9 by 2, under root 9 upon root 2, x value root 9 is 3 divided by under root. So x value आपने फाइंड आउट कर ली, देन रेडियस इज द 3 अपॉन रूट 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट क्या है आपकी 3x, दैट विल कम 9 अपॉन रूट 2 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ यू ऑल्सो नो what is the value of under root 2, 1.414. Under root 2 is equals to 1.414. You will substitute the value of under root 2, then you will calculate its total surface area. Easily calculate कर लोगे. Now total surface area देखो कैसे calculate करोगे. Now TSA is 2 pi r bracket r plus h, 222 by 7 plus r is 3 upon under root 2, then 3 upon root 2 plus 9 upon root 2. Now 44 into 3, 7 and root 2 multiply 9 3, 12 upon root 2. Multiply करो 44 multiply 3 multiply 12 under root 2 multiply under root 2, 2 7 into 2, 2 into 6, then simplify, then answer. Okay, so this type of question is also asked in exam. What ratio given to you? Either आपको CSA and TSA का ratio भी given हो सकता है, और their radius and height ratio is also given to you. आपको रेडियस और हाइट का रेशियो भी गिवन हो सकता है, और इट्स कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया रेशियो इज आल्सो गिवन टू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, दैट वी विल कंसीडर बेस्ड ऑन इट्स CSA एंड TSA रेशियो. Next question is the ratio of TSA and CSA of cylinder is 9:2 and its radius is 7 centimeter. Then find its height. आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है स्टूडेंट्स? सिलेंडर की हाइट कैलकुलेट करनी है. सो हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट द हाइट? गिवन टू यू TSA divided by CSA is equals to 9/2. We know that what is the TSA? 2 pi r plus h. What is the CSA? 2 pi r h is equals to 9/2. 2 pi r is cancel. रिमेनिंग क्या रहा? r प्लस h अपॉन h इज इक्वल्स टू क्या है? 9/2. नाउ here also given to you that the radius is the 7 centimeter. रेडियस की वैल्यू पुट करो 7 प्लस h अपॉन h इक्वल्स टू 9/2. 9h is equals to 14 plus 2h. 9h minus 2h is equals to 14. So 7h equals to 14. So what is the value of h? 2. So height will come to centimeter. So height क्या बनेगी इसकी? Height बनेगी 2 centimeter. So these are the all type question based on the cylinder. Okay. So in today lecture we discuss is that how we will find out the total surface area and how we will find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. In next lecture we will discuss that if in a cylindrical pipe its internal radius and external radius are different, then how we will find out its total surface area, how we will find out its curved surface area that behaves like a hollow cylinder. वो किसकी तरह behave करेगा? Hollow cylinder की तरह. And we discuss remaining question based on rod roller cylinder. You had when we press the rod with the help of a rod roller, then which part is using, that we will discuss in next lecture. Okay. So today firstly you watch this video carefully. After watching this video you will do exercise 13.2 questions with example which you understand. In next lecture we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 13.2. Thank you.